guys, I'm Aaron. This is my channel, Help Me DIY. Thanks for checking it out. Please subscribe if you haven't. I just wanted to start a feature called Tool of the Week. So anytime I find a really cool tool, something that's really useful and helpful to me, I'm going to try to highlight it in one of these videos. If you have the right tools for the job, they are so much easier. So when I find these really cool tools, I just wanted to share them with you so you can add them to your collection for your garage. I'll put the links below in the description of all the videos so you can find them and buy them for yourselves. If there are any tools out there that you love and highly recommend, let me know and maybe I can highlight them in one of these weekly videos. None of these products so far are sponsored. I purchased them all on my own just because I think that they are very useful and helpful. If you have a product and you would like to sponsor me, hey, I would be happy to go ahead and try that out. But if I ever do that, I will put a disclaimer on the video and let everybody know. So unless you see some kind of disclaimer, it's just a tool that I found, maybe somebody else told me about, and it's been really helpful. All right, the tool of the day today is the Flex-brush Trombone Cleaner. Got this on Amazon. I'll put a link below in the description. What it is a, well, trombone cleaner. But what we're gonna use it for is to clean the drains of our Porsche Boxster. So I made a video yesterday using this to clean out the drains on the Boxster. So I'm just gonna show you a short clip from that instead of showing you the whole thing. I'll put a link right here if you wanna watch the whole video on that. This thing feels pretty cool so far. What I'm gonna do is just start feeding it into the drain. Oh, it does fit really well. I'm surprised. I kind of thought that that brush would be too big. I'm just gonna gently get it started here. Okay, so the tube kind of goes back in this direction. So if I feed it from there, it goes in really, really smoothly. I'll just feed it all the way through. And I think I just heard it come out the ground. So let's come over here. And yep, there it is. Take this off the tripod. And we can see it coming all the way through the drain. So yeah, this is a perfect instrument for cleaning your drain if it actually gets clogged. And then just pull it right out. And that brush will get anything that's in there.